Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I had already flipped it once about 8 minutes ago, and it was already browned. And you can see this is a little different than steaming it. Okay, you find that steaming it adds more liquid to the that comes out of the chicken. Uh, this is mostly fat, oil from the chicken itself, especially the skin. So you can see it made a nice gravy, and by looking at how much oil is in here will also tell you how done the chicken is. In this particular case, I can tell this one's done already, and it has a nice color already. And this one probably needs a little more. Another way you can tell is there's a little blood coming out of the bones. That's another way you can tell. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this go ahead and simmer a little while more, and it'll be done.